And she pushing the Beamer.
Hell yeah. What she about to go to?
She going to the plug house. To the plug house. Plug house. To the plug house. She going to the plug house. To the plug house. To the plug house. To the plug house. Man, she got on pants, look like she done brought the doves out. Got a man asking where the fuck you think you going now. She like, I'm going out and I'm not going to no club now. I'm just going down the street to the motherfucking plug house. Yeah, she at the plug house. Yeah, she at the plug house. She don't get no fuck, she ain't with you, she at the plug house. Yeah, she at the plug house. Yeah, she at the plug house. She at the plug house where they got all the drugs out, all the guns, the buzz out, man. Go ahead.
If you looking for your bitch, she at my drug house. Cause I got hella hoes in my crib bagging up. Nigga know what it is, let them bitches bag it up. But don't let them take shit, shoot them bitches up if they try and take shit. But if you want your bitch, you know where she is. In my crib with my motherfucking niggas, probably sucking dick. She don't give a fuck about you, said you a fucking bitch. If you pull up, nigga, hit you with my stick. Hit you with that stick, then lay your ass down. Drag your body in the bushes, then leave you on the ground. Don't give a fuck about a motherfucking fag. Shoot him in the face, leave his bitch ass dead.
Tell that bitch ass you's dead. What's I playing? He like, who, what you said? I said I don't give a fuck, I got them Franklin's get that power control, I'm saying mind over money, mind control the money, my money control the mind, I get no fuck, it's all mine, and then I keep on saying mine, cause I gotta go mine, I got them diamonds and shit, I got your bitch on my dick, I'm at the plug house, where they told them AKs, them sticks, you know they don't give no fuck, you know we all with the shits, we got them shits, them bagging up, they in the back like some bitch.